so cute. He is so cute. Okay, cool. Oh, range exchange. Help me out. Bruh. I just want to get through it. Nutrient soil, sprinkle, or scarce slime. Demolish pot. No. No, absolutely no way. No. I want a nutrient soil. Because if I get a nutrient soil, if I get nutrient soil, excuse me, it'll grow even faster. Oh, now they're up to 81. Go. Like the thingy ports. Oh wait, I don't have enough. Damn it. Okay, just gonna wow. Skirt. Mine. Okay. Beep. Wait, I have an idea. What happens if I just do that? I can pull you guys in. Pull. Oh, well, how could you miss biting that? Like, you just eat it. Now I'm just gonna... I am covering my mouth because, of course, I need to. Oh yeah. Fling. There, just go after it like that. Okay, pink plorts. I'm going to shoot these in. It's down to 8. 478, not bad. Wait a minute. Tank booster. I just bought a tank booster. Now I can hold 30 instead of 20. Let's see. Does it actually work? If I just get out with whoa! I keep forgetting I didn't buy the jetpack because I keep on thinking I bought the jetpack from the store already for some reason. Like, can I just you know, stop thinking that? Oh, got it. Wait, what happens if it just pew? Well, that goes so high. Just gonna wait. No! Oh. Wait, that's... Okay. Yo. I'm gonna see if it actually holds more. And by doing that, I can just grab as many ports as I can. And I'm gonna go down here for that. I'm just gonna pick all of these up. I'm gonna launch that into the air. Grab a lot of these. It's about to land. That's all I got. That's all I got. Yep, what? See? 30 pink plorts. Let's go! I actually hold more. Just gonna pew. Hey, guess what, slimes? Blur's lava. I'm kidding. That would be mean because they can't really get on anything. I need to buy a new garden. Because I want cute. Actually, no, I don't want a cute berry garden yet. Nutrient soil. I want to buy nutrient soil. So now it should grow faster. Maybe it's that. Can I? No. Nutrient soil. The moss blanket? What? The maximum harvest. Oh, so it just gets me more, I think. Nice! Nice! Okay. He's ready to eat. No one. So I'm just gonna shoot you into here. Into here. About, yeah. Where is he? What? And make it so the only thing inside is that cube berry. So you better eat that cube berry up fast. Because right now it's not one left. Hello. There's one missing because I... Never mind. Put it in the wrong one, but who cares? Okay, I'm gonna jump over. Gonna grab you. Gonna grab you. Run, 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 run. Wee-hoo, wee-hoo. Okay, well. If a slime like this guy eats his favorite food, it gets 2 ports, but it's okay. Wait, gets 4 because it ate. Nice, mate. Nice, mate. Just gonna pick these up. Okay. Well, that's good. Now I got this. Okay. Wait a minute. Do you know what I want to buy? Jetpack. Oh! No way! Whoopsies, I'm gonna sleep until morning. Hold on, I have 1 star mail. I have it 1. What? No, I want. Wait. Alright. Hiya, Beatrix. Ogden Ortiz. The name's Ogden Ortiz, it says. I'm a soy rancher much like yourself, but I mostly fancy myself as a farmer. I came to the Farfa Range to grow fruits and veggies the way we used to back on Earth. But getting down to the soil, give me a sec, my dog's in here. Soil and getting your hands dirty. Did you know that carrots improve your night vision? Yeah, seriously, they do. I don't see why all the ranchers aren't just gobbling them down every chance they get. Being lost out on the range at night can be so dangerous. Well, don't let me ramble on Yahweh, on Yahi here. We'll be in touch via the range exchange. I tend to only raise slimes that eat fruits and veggies, so I expect those kind of requests from me. Looking forward to doing business with ya. O.O.P.S. Ever hear of glided ginger? It's a mythical veggie that is said to be the favorite food of equally mythical gold slime, but some say neither of them actually exist. I believe in the golden slime. Sleep until morning. Return to ranch. Tia, it's my dog. Tia, what are you doing? What are you doing? She's just lying down on the floor sleeping. I don't know. I want the carrot. Huh? Okay, I can put this blurt away. Excuse me. Mister. Whoa, I almost died. Well, I got some stuff. Wait, is there any okas? Please tell me. Oh, oka. Fight garden purchase. Grow, my friends. Grow. These guys are not growing. Yay! Woohoo! Oh, I'm not max. But now I need heartbeat. Because remember, in the Indigo Quarry. And I'm heading to the Indigo Quarry because there's something there called a Gordo, but it's a rocks on Gordo, remember. I have a really bad cough. It's a Gordo, and it eats veggie because rock slime eat veggie. Like, see, diet veggie. So, yeah, boink. Wow. Hen away. Ow. So I'm going to give him his favorite. Give me a second. Oh, wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. Ouch. Okay, oh wow. Let's see. What's this? To teleport to my ranch? Oh yes. The grotto. Oh. Great. Okay. Wait, could I get on top, maybe? I'm gonna grab you, and then I can grow you. Maybe. Oh, yeah. That's right. I don't have the grotto. So, whoa, it shows my ranch on there. Why is there so many? Rah! Sorry. What's that? Wait, there's something I want to show you. There's something I want to show you. Okay? La 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 la. Let's see what they do. Just go on. Wait a minute. I'm gonna take you guys. I want you. I want you guys. I want you. Treasure pod is locked. I'm probably taking too many, but I'm gonna take them. Hold on, wait. So, like, slimes can mix into a Gordo, but, like, still, whoa, what is this? Rock, Gordo, diet veggie. Okay, I'll get more veggies. Wait. Okay, I made it. This is new. What is past here? What are you? Wait. Odd onion. I wouldn't trust this onion even less so than a normal onion. You think? It has sus stuff on it. See? It has spots on it, and those spots look a little sus. I want to go down here. No. No way! I just found 2 Gordos in like 1 minute. Mochi Miles. Who's Mochi Miles? Nom. No, here you go. Nom. I want to grow the odd onions. Don't I hear? How dare you? How dare you eat him? You just exploded. And die. Nope. Think you're smart. You think you're... Exactly. Die. No! Nom. Bro, you know what? I'm so angry. I'm going to shoot you off the edge. Also, guys, random question. I repeat, absolute random question. The most randomest question of the randoms. What did you have for breakfast today? Comment it. I had 2 eggs, but then I got more hungry, so then I ended up having 4 eggs in total. It's pretty funny, I guess. But not really, it's not right funny. So, guys, it's not when you're running any faster. What I want to buy is a grotto. So, sorry, somebody came in, so I had to stop the recording because of that. Because, yep. I just wanted to. Can you stop? How do you like being launched in the air? And then, boing. So I have a teleporter to get back, but then I can't get back. Well, what are you? Rock, crystal, Gordo. There's not really a difference. Wait. Wait a minute. If I get... If I just get on this. Oh, I wanted to... It's down here. Just that. Can get back up at least. Okay. I'm gonna, okay, jump, wow. Go, 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 go. This is a pretty big game, so this is a pretty big game, meaning it's going to be in like 20 parts. That's a lot. No, I want to stop growing. Wait a minute. Remove crops, yeah. Odd onion. Wait, but that's carrots. Carrots grow with it. Odd onion and carrots grow in the same one. Okay. My clothes just fell off the chair. I am wearing clothes, but my school clothes just fell off the chair. But womp womp. Okay, there we go. My dog Tia's just sitting on the ground. Let's see. Pond! Ponds are cool. What are you going to do with this? Okay, I'm just doing that to make them feel happy about it. So I want to go to sleep. Why this says, whoa, look at the sky. Look at the sky. 1 second, I'm getting a range exchange. I need these ports, post-haste, whatever that means. Oh, give me a sec. Oh, you're Mochi Mayos. Oh, okay. It's pretty easy. I really wish I never put them away in the thing now. Okay. Gotta just... Okay, now I need one more of these ports. He will eat it eventually. I'm gonna sleep until morning. 1 second, got some star mail. Mochi Miles, no subject. Well, it seems like another wannabe rancher has signed up for a lonely existence on a faraway space rock. Congrats, Beatrix. I'm Mochi Miles. That's Miles as a Tatsuya. Miles the billionaire. I'm here to do important business for my dad. But that doesn't mean I won't make all the rest of these backwards types out here look bad in the process. No one conquers the poor market like I do. Day in, day out, my dad gives me the inside track, so look forward to my requesting ports that I will make me huge profits later on. So I wish you the best of luck, Beatrix. Maybe you'll even reach second place. And at the very least, you can tell your friends that you helped out the range Mochi Miles in her conquest. Is it conquest of the far range? Later, Tater, Mochi Miles top rancher. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mochi Miles. It's exactly 6 in the morning in this game. Oh, maybe not now. Eat your breakfast. No. Yay! Bah. Pew. And what did you? Oh, you gave me a lot. Lucky me. Look who got a lot in a small. Whatever the flip that means. What does that even mean? Fruit and veggie, yep. Then veggie, meat, everything. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Wow, that's a really bad cough I have. Well, since I gave them that, I'll give these guys this. Bro, I have such a bad cough. Spread yourself out a little. Okay, let me see. Wait, I want a port collector. You know, port collectors. No, the port collectors. That's what I need for this. Because in that one there hurts me, well, a lot. But that's because of his spikes. How do I know it's a he? Oh, you may be wondering, how do you know it's a he? I don't know if it's a he or not. I'm just saying he. Because, I mean, I can't really tell slimes if a slime is male or female because they look, male or female, they look the exact same. So that isn't really helping. But either way, it doesn't really matter. Well, anyway, even it doesn't really matter. No, that's... Bro, I just hurt them, I think. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, no. Don't need it? Burn it. Okay. Pond. Sorry about that, guys. Woohoo! Whoa. Okay. So this is cool. Meow. These are them. Oh, just wait. Can I? If I do this, yeah. Just wait a minute. Oh, this is cool.